In this tutorial you will to learn to shorten shirt sleeves. I show you simple way how to shorten and to hem sleeves on a shirt in one video. The minimum sleeve length should be at least 18 to 19 centimeters, but no more than 25 to 27 centimeters. When shortening the sleeve of a shirt, it is important to accurately determine the length of the shortened sleeve. It is best to measure the length of the sleeve by the person's hand, mark with chalk, and then draw a hemline on the table using a tri-square. The hem should be between 3 and 4 centimeters. Please note that when finished, the sleeve will be shorter by another 1.5 centimeters. Fold on the wrong side of 3 centimeters and iron. Now fold this hem on wrong side and iron. Before sewing on this double edge, pin it in. The finish stitching is best make on the faced side of the cuff. Step back 0.7 centimeters from the edge of the cuff, usually it is exactly half the width of presser foot. Iron the hem and repeat all previous steps for the second sleeve.